Hi, this is Kingston Lacy here. Thank you for watching, liking, sharing and ringing the bell. And a special thank you to all subscribers and those who are going to. Just look at that ceiling. It's a National Trust property. And I am never, or rather I am always amazed by this beautiful hall here. It's just look at all that work around the edge there. A lady who's forgotten to get dressed, and a lady who got overdressed. Well, there's no middle road, is there? Some lovely pictures in here. These ones are particularly sort of moody. And there's two more the other side. Quite dark, but they're there's lots to see. The more and more you look at these, the more there is to see. I love the way you can look out through the hedges out into the middle distance. Just look at these. What about that for a chaise longue? I bet it's not a chaise longue, but it's beautiful. Little alcoves here. And a lovely sideboard over here. Just look at this. That's beautiful. Pheasant on the top there. Another one of those, what I call chaise longue, which aren't. Wow, look at that piece. Isn't that lovely? Oh, right. Excuse me. There's the library. We're going into the library. There's always a giveaway with the library. There. There's always a giveaway, isn't there, when there's a library?
Wow.
The books.
Oh, yes.
Sorry.
I don't even bother to say this is the library.
No, I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's all
No, it's a giveaway. Look at that ceiling.
Yeah, it's an interesting feeling. It was a fresco. You know, frescoes are painted on glass or wet plaster.
Yes.
This was in Bologna. It was painted in the early 1600s. But by the mid-1800s, they found a way of actually detaching the fresco from its original wet plaster and transferring it to canvas. And William bought this in 1841 and had it put up here.
Good gracious.
It's called the separation of night and day.
Whoa.
So the lady at the top there with her two sticks is separating day and night, which means that she's obviously dawn or aurora, as she was known. And night is obvious because she's the lady with the cloak for the stars, and this is day. The only problem with this painting is it looks like it's a lot lower than it was intended to be. Because if you look at the figures,
The perspective.
they're quite stocky.
Yeah.
And this wasn't the classical ideal. It would have been a lot higher up, so they would have been more in
Yeah.
proportion then.
We've been here many times, and this ceiling is astounding every time.
Yes, yeah, I like this ceiling. It's one of the most
Beautiful.
some of them are a bit too ornate for my taste. The one in the Spanish room with all the gold and everything.
Oh,
it's
yeah.
too much. But this is nice.
Yeah, we've been to Schönbrunn in Vienna, and there's a room there. I didn't guess what it'd cost today, but it's all gold. The whole room is gold, actual gold.
Oh gosh.
And it just, when you go in, it glows,
Yeah.
and you just,
Yeah.
good gracious. Right, next one, dear. It's a beautiful place, isn't it? Good afternoon.
Frances Ridley, married Henry Banks, mother of William John Banks, the collector.
Wow. What a fabulous organ. Look at that chandelier. Beautiful box. Look at all the carving on that. Rather dark, difficult to see. Well, it's nearly running through and running out of time, so thank you for watching and liking and sharing and all that jazz. And I'll say bye for now from Kingston Lacy in Dorset, United Kingdom. Can't see that box, that's rather a pity. So this is the Rambling Rambler, Dave to his friends. Bye for now.